There are some free options for video editing, and I will show you 5 of them. After watching this video, it will be easy for you to choose based on your device and OS. You will find a details video of each software in the description. The first one is the CapCut software. It is available on Windows and Mac, and an online version also exists. CapCut has some built-in templates to make TikTok or Shorts types of videos. It offers some sounds and graphics focusing on those types of content. It is also capable of handling long-form content like YouTube videos. The online version has a major drawback, as you will have to upload all the videos first for editing. So it is better to use the desktop versions available on Mac and Windows. CapCut also has a mobile app available both on iOS and Android. So it is possible to use on mobile, iPad, and tablets. CapCut is the only software in this video that supports mobile editing. The next one is the OpenShot video editor. This software will run smoothly in log configuration laptops or devices. It also supports multiple OS like Windows, Mac, and Linux. Its interface is also quite simple. It is an open source project and offers many features. Some features may be hard to find, but if you take some time to familiarize them, it can be a great editing tool. The next one is ShotCut, which is another open source project. ShotCut is also available in Windows, Mac, and Linux. Compared to OpenShot, its interface is a bit complex and has a steeper learning curve. But it offers many advanced video editing features. So if you invest some time to learn this, you may not need another video editing software. ShotCut also works well in low configuration PCs. The next one is quite powerful DaVinci Resolve. Some people use it as an alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro. DaVinci is also available in Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a free and a paid version, but the free one has features like no other free software has. Even the free version has some features which are available on paid versions of other software. The downside is it requires quite a powerful machine. For smooth video editing, you will need 16 GB RAM. This is the best free software that supports advanced video editing and audio effects. The last one on this list is iMovie. iMovie is only available on iOS or macOS. If you have an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you can use this software. iMovie is a basic software and very easy to use. You can use this software at the beginning to get an idea of how video editing works. It also works quite well in producing beginner-level YouTube videos. For details videos on this software, please follow the link in the description. I hope you now have an idea of the free options available. Thanks for watching, and see you next.